Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete saved reel drafts on Instagram. So where you record a reel and you don't finish your edits or you don't post the reel, it will automatically save to your Instagram account as a draft, and a draft will be saved until you share or delete them. And here through this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the saved drafts of your reels on Instagram. So usually drafts are saved onto your device, so you won't be able to access your saved draft from another device even if you log in into the same account. And if you install Instagram, your drafts will also be lost. But if you want to delete the your save draft manually, you can just follow my steps in here. So what you need to do is just go open your Instagram application, and then in here you can just click on the your photo at the bottom. So you need to go to your profile, and then what you need to do to find your draft is just click on this reels icon at your profile, and then here you'll see at the very top there will be a title labeled as drafts. So if you want to see your draft, you can just click on it just like this, and in here I have 5 drafts saved on my device. And here if you want to delete only one of them, you can just tap on this 3 dots icon beside the reels, the saved draft that you want to delete, and then tap on delete. If you are confirmed, you can just tap on the delete button again. And as you guys can see here at the bottom, if you uninstall the Instagram app, all of your drafts will be lost. So draft can also go missing if you clear app data, log out while editing, reinstall the app, and accidentally delete your drafts. So if you want to delete all of your draft, you need to just do the step or repeat the steps until all of your drafts are deleted, just like this. Okay, one more, and that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can also leave a comment down below if you still have question, and don't forget to click on thanks and subscribe to keep watching our videos. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.